Google Wi-Fi Provisioner is a specialized Android service that revolutionizes how we set up and manage Wi-Fi networks, particularly for Google's advanced mesh networking systems. At its core, Google Wi-Fi Provisioner is an Android system service designed to eliminate the complexity traditionally associated with setting up and managing Wi-Fi networks. To understand where Wi-Fi Provisioner fits, let's look at the Android system architecture. Wi-Fi Provisioner operates as a system service within the application framework layer. Wi-Fi Provisioner excels at managing Google's mesh networking systems, which consist of a primary router connected to multiple mesh nodes that work together to provide seamless coverage. Wi-Fi Provisioner handles 4 critical functions that make mesh networking accessible to everyone. Let's explore each of these key capabilities. Recent updates have significantly enhanced Wi-Fi Provisioner's capabilities, particularly in smart home integration and network optimization. AI-powered optimization algorithms now automatically adjust network performance based on usage patterns, while Thread Border Router support improves connectivity for Internet of Things devices. Thread Border Router support enables seamless integration with commercial and residential IoT networks, creating a unified smart environment. In essence, Google Wi-Fi Provisioner serves as an intelligent bridge between Google's hardware and software ecosystems, transforming complex networking tasks into simple, automated processes that anyone can manage. Setting up Google Wi-Fi Provisioner involves a streamlined 4-step process that transforms complex network configuration into a simple, automated experience. Step 1 begins with device discovery using Bluetooth Low Energy, or BLE. Your smartphone automatically detects nearby Google Wi-Fi devices, establishing the initial connection without requiring manual network passwords. Step 2 involves network creation, where the system establishes security parameters, configures the mesh topology, and sets up the foundational network architecture with WPA3 encryption. Step 3 activates the AI-driven optimization phase. Machine learning algorithms analyze your environment, usage patterns, and device behavior to automatically configure optimal network settings. Step 4 establishes ongoing management with continuous monitoring, automatic adjustments, and self-healing capabilities that maintain optimal network performance without user intervention. The Google Home app serves as your central control hub, providing an intuitive interface for managing all aspects of your Wi-Fi network and connected smart home devices. Security is paramount in Google Wi-Fi Provisioner, with WPA3 SAE serving as the default encryption protocol. This advanced security standard provides simultaneous authentication of equals, ensuring robust protection against modern cyber threats. The network management system provides comprehensive oversight of your entire home network topology. Connected devices are automatically organized and monitored, with intelligent traffic routing ensuring optimal performance for all your smart home devices.